My elder brother, who's specially abled, has cerebral palsy and both mentally and physically challenged, just kept staring at the now blank screen. Oh. Silent tears quietly streaming down his face. And then he turned to me and whispered the words that will stay with me for the rest of my life. ये बिल्कुल हम जैसे हैं ना. What a line. Somebody else read this letter. I can't read it. Relax.
Big shout out to GD because she deserves a big round of applause. Genelia. GD.
मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की है. घूम फिर के ऋषभ जिनीलिया पे आता है.
मैंने क्या किया?
Good for nothing, 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 nothing बोले ज़माना.
नमस्कार, आप सबका स्वागत है आमिर खान टॉकीज के इस खास वीडियो में. फिल्म हमारी ऑलमोस्ट एक हफ्ता कंप्लीट होने को आया है और हम लोग सब बहुत ही एक्साइटेड रहे हैं फिल्म को लेकर. तो सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने सितारों को पूछना चाहूँगा कि ये आप लोग की पहली फिल्म है और फिल्म थिएटर में लगी और लोगों ने देखा, रिएक्शन आया. क्या लगा सिमरन, आपको क्या फीलिंग हो रही है इस वक्त?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इट्स वेरी टैलेंट टू वॉच. ऑब्वियसली ऑल लव.
हाँ, आशीष क्या लगता है?
मेरा सदियों का सपना साकार हो गया.
अच्छा,
जो आपके साथ काम किया मैंने.
What are the parents feeling यार? आप लोगों को क्या फीलिंग आ रही है?
मैं तो जागना ही नहीं चाहती हूँ.
How they were addressed all the time. Now they've reached such a pedestal that people are looking up to it. You know, like it's such a difference that you feel कि okay, totally.
सबके मन में एक
उम्मीद, you can say that उम्मीद जग जाती है.
And they're looking at all of the kids with a lot of respect and appreciation.
Respect.
गैप कम
हो गया. हाँ.
नहीं, this is what respect they're looking at them, you know, which was
कभी मिला नहीं.
never seen.
Earlier they were not given a year. Now they are being heard.
मुझे ये है कि एक्सपीरियंस है कि पहले जब गोपी को बहुत सारे स्कूलों से बाहर किया गया था कि इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे ऐसा. एंड एक स्कूल था वहाँ जहाँ मैंने गोपी के लिए हिंदी टीचर के काम किया था वहाँ पे. तो फ्री में काम करती थी ताकि उसको वहाँ पे एजुकेशन मिले. दैट वाज अ नॉर्मल स्कूल. वो लोगों ने बोला कि एक पेरेंट्स टीचर्स मीटिंग में बोला कि मुझे रख के बोला कि पिछले जन्म का पाप का भल अभी आप लोग चुका रहे हो तो उसका असर है, तो उसका हम क्यों ले ये हम क्यों शेयर करें. तो ऐसे बच्चों को नेक्स्ट ईयर से हम लेंगे नहीं. अभी क्या है वो उस स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल जो उसने सपोर्ट किया उस बात को, वो मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि गोपी ने पहली बार फैंसी ड्रेस वहीं पे किया था ना, अभी हमारे स्कूल में उसने ऐसा किया, वो क्रेडिट लेना चाहती है. देखो. लेकिन मैंने बोला नहीं, पहले वो अपने स्पेशल स्कूल में कर चुका था डांस एंड वो आपके स्कूल से पहले नहीं किया.
At the airport yesterday, we were approached by a lady who, besides taking photographs with the sitaras, she wanted to know how she could help other children because she's running a portal, a parenting page, an Insta page, and a blog. And she approached us on how to help others and to create more awareness about autism, especially.
Right. How nice. चलो, तो फिल्म लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रही है. इस फिल्म को बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है यार. तो हम लोगों ने जो काम किया है वो लोगों के दिल तक पहुंचा है. दिव्या जी, आपको क्या लग रहा है?
सर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत. मुझे तो सबसे अच्छा अपने घर पे अपने पापा का रिएक्शन लग रहा है. अच्छा? वो सारा दिन सुनील के डायलॉग्स बोलते रहते हैं. हमें लगता है हेलमेट वेलमेट ना लेके बैठ जाए अब.
I feel so honored to be in this industry of Bollywood. I've entered. God has totally planned everything. Like He made me meet you and made me make so many friends and so many nice people. God is great. I love Him. I love you. I love everyone.
I want to say something before we start the comments. I think, to be honest, it was a biggest honor that I never thought of this thing, that I will be in this industry with all my friends.
Yeah.
Because I think it was my biggest dream to become a comedy actor. As my mom referred, that Rishabh, you want to become comedy actor? I said, yes, mom. Because stand-up comedy was my biggest dream. And I owe Divya sir and Prasanna sir big thank you for getting me into this film. And Ekta sir, you are amazing, sir. I have no words to say to you. You are the special person in my heart that nobody has made me laugh and nobody has took care of me. And you're the best coach ever, sir. I love you, sir. Forever.
Prasanna changed my life to you. And I first day saw you and you are really thank you to all the parents, really. Yeah. Thank you to Prasanna, AK, and mom, especially her. She has such a... She changed everything, all my friends here.
Sam, you say.
हाँ बोल Sam.
I've seen all AK's movies and you know one day, so actually you know one day, I and my mom had gone for one movie and I told my mom that Mom, I want to act in a movie. So then all confused, I'm in this movie, so and now I feel I'm on cloud nine, guys. Okay, so can you just come for a minute, please? Come for a minute, please. So you are a friend. You live this, so this is for you, sir.
Oh, thank you, man.
After this response, after this movie, I think my life has changed completely. My friends call me Lotia instead of Ayush now. ऐसी लोटिया आई भी आ रहा है अभी जिसने अभी सितारे ज़मीन में काम किया था. Even nowadays, when I go to the joggers park for a walk, I'm unable to walk also properly. What happens with me? कि my dogs follow me.
Right.
तो कुत्ते follow करते लोग follow कर रहे हैं मेरे को.
So, sir, when we came from Rashtrapati Bhavan after meeting our Honorable President, ma'am, one very beautiful thing happened in the flight, sir. We were coming by Indigo. And I noticed that in the airport, sir, I noticed people taking selfies with him.
With Ashish.
Ashish ka selfie liya. Baki, lot of people. So in the flight, the air hostess told me that I'm going to watch your movie next week. Because tickets we didn't get. And they have schedules and all, air hostess and all that. So they did something very sweet. I like to show it to you.
Sure.
They made a personal note for all of them.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is on the flight, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Each one got a personal note, yeah? How lovely. How nice. So let's go to the reactions. I'm dying to see the reactions, yeah.
Absolutely loved it. I have cried, I have laughed.
Very good, very nice.
It's a must watch. Fantastic film.
The subject is very nice.
Very good idea. It actually really caters to an audience of this generation also. So I think for this generation, I think it was a very nice movie.
How was Amir's performance? Amazing. That Amir Khan was too good.
Amir Khan he's amazing.
Amir Khan always brings out the best.
All सब बच्चे बहुत अच्छे थे. I would recommend all schools to show this movie to, you know, all the children. और 2 बार देखो, 4 बार देखो, 10 बार देखो. So nice.
Whoa! It's a beautiful movie and we learned a lot.
Message that they've given is so beautiful.
And climax is awesome.
This is the best movie. I think everybody must watch this movie. They should come and they should see it.
Fabulous.
I love the movie.
Amazing, awesome.
It was very nice.
It was very amazing movie.
It's on the right notes about a topic which is not spoken about in society. Very unexpected. So Amir sir का काम कैसा लगा इसमें?
Amir Khan is best. The Sitares was fantabulous.
Very good, amazing.
It was very nice.
It was a nice movie. You would connect.
Everybody acted very well.
Very hard.
बच्चे बहुत ही अच्छे थे.
And towards the end, it was very emotional. And it was funny at the same moment, and it had a very good social message. Bringing these kind of stories to life is something which is creating history.
5 out of 5.
Yeah, 5. 5.
4.5.
10 on 10 as per me.
5 out of 6. 5.
6 on 5. 6.
How many stars?
6.
5 is a 5.
5 out of 5.
5 on 5. 5.
5 out of 5.
Full marks.
सितारे ज़मीन पे best.
सब लोग 5 out of 5 दे रहे हैं. 6 भी दे रहे हैं. So when I see the reactions ना, because we've all worked so hard, इतनी मेहनत की हम लोगों ने, तो जब ऐसा reaction देखते ना, तो मुझे बहुत ऐसा feeling of कि जो हमने किया has finally reached people, you know. There's a lot of satisfaction that people have connected with the film so well.
आप लोग सब जानते हैं कि मेरे भाई जो है श्वेक, मेरा छोटा भाई, उसको डाउन सिंड्रोम है, और इंडिया we don't know much about genetic disorders and intellectual disabilities. But
this is not in India.
I think this is Dubai.
Dubai.
I could tell people that this is not a disease. It's just the way someone is different. And this movie did it so well that I have tears in my eyes even now while editing this video. It's what cinema is supposed to be like, guys. If there is one movie I recommend everyone to go watch, it's Sitare Zameen Par, and Ishq truly enjoyed it. And I'm going to leave here to let you watch snippets of him being happy.
Silence! Practice cancel. घर जाओ सब लोग, घर जाओ.
तू खान.
Okay.
भाई कौन सा?
कोई गोल्ड मेडल अपने ही है. अरे आजा मेरे शेर. मेरे चीते.
मम्मी. Dancing together with my hair. Wow.
How beautiful.
Drishti Chadda 910 never had or will request you this much to go and watch the film. It has done wonders to my heart and soul, and it will do to yours as well. Please, please, please go and watch the film as soon as possible and take as many people as you can with you. Drishti is really helping us, yeah? I'm so happy to see a maker as big as Aamir Khan to step into this topic and make it so beautifully. Every aspect of the film is beautiful, even when it comes to facts. They're on point, and the way they have perceived these so-called Pagal people have really taken my heart. They have shown every myth the way people still see them, showed their flaws in the most heartwarming way ever. A perfect mass film with drama, love and laughter, perfect to make your day bright. Thanks to Aamir Khan Productions, Genelia, Prasanna, and all the people associated with the film, all have been a part of the film to make this the best, and hopefully, fingers crossed, the film that reaches the most audiences in India and change their perspective on this topic and do favor on the community. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Drishti. Dear Aamir sir and the AKP team, this Saturday when the credits had finished rolling, the lights were slowly coming back on. Around us, the theatre emptied out with people chatting, checking phones, heading home. But in the third row from the back, we sat still. Always makes me cry. My elder brother, who is specially abled, has cerebral palsy and both mentally and physically challenged, just kept staring at the now blank screen. Oh. Silent tears quietly streaming down his face, and then he turned to me and whispered the words that will stay with me for the rest of my life. ये बिल्कुल हम जैसे हैं ना. What a line. Somebody else read this letter, I can't read it.
That's when I truly understood what you had done. You hadn't just made a film, you had opened a door to our world and invited the entire country inside. The power of representation on screen. For 33 years, my brother has lived in a world that doesn't quite fit him. Cinema has shown people like him as either objects of pity or impossible inspiration. Never as human beings with dreams, fears, and the simple desire to belong. Then came your film. In 155 minutes, you did what decades of awareness campaigns couldn't. You showed disability not as a medical condition, but as a different way of experiencing the world. You showed families like ours not as brave or broken, but as ordinary people navigating extraordinary love. The entire film was nothing short of perfection. Every frame, every emotion felt lived, not acted. But there were 5 scenes that left us shattered, speechless, and deeply moved in a way that's hard to describe. First, when Kartar Paji in your film said, मुश्किलें तो होती है इन परिवारों में, लेकिन ये घर कभी बुढ़े नहीं होते, क्योंकि ये बच्चे हमेशा अपना बचपन बचपना भर देते हैं, जान बसती है इनके परिवार की इनमें. It's a transliterate kind of adaptation of what Divya had written. That line wasn't dialogue to us, it was recognition. In that one moment you captured decades of our life because that is our home. This is exactly what my brother brings into our lives. An innocence, a joy, a childlike magic that never fades. And while most people around us may never truly understand it, what they call a burden has been our greatest blessing. We aren't surviving, we are thriving in a kind of happiness most wouldn't even recognize. Number 2, the entire scene when your character's mother said, किसी ना किसी को तो लड़ना पड़ता है पूरी दुनिया से, something in me broke. Because I have seen that fight up close in the quiet strength of my parents. For 33 years, they've stood by Bhaiya, standing up for his needs, his dignity, his right to simply be himself. They've had to defend that love even within our own family when most of them said things like, तुम लोग पागल हो जो इसको ठीक करने में इतना पैसा और समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो. But they never gave up. They chose love over judgment, hope over dismissal, every single time. And in that moment on screen, you captured a truth that most people don't even notice. It felt like you were telling our story. The third scene, the way your
character spoke to the new coach, guiding him on how to truly understand and work with the children like my brother. You were absolutely bang on. Rarely do we see someone articulate with such clarity and compassion what it actually takes to support people like my brother, not with pressure but with patience, not by fixing them, but by meeting them where they are. When Kartar Paji responded to the comment about disabled people not being normal, he didn't raise his voice, he didn't argue. He just redefined normal with compassion, clarity and truth. सबका अपना अपना नॉर्मल होता है. दिव्या जी. That one line dismantled years of stigma in just a few words. Divya ji, that's so true here. It gives families like mine something we've longed searched for, a voice, a way to hold our heads high, not explain ourselves, a way to respond to judgment not with defense but with calm truth. It reminded us that what the world calls normal is often just a narrow, fearful version of comfort that everyone, including people like my brother, deserves to be accepted within their reality and not measured against someone else's. I don't know how many hearts or minds this line will change, but I'm deeply grateful it was said out loud, unapologetically in a theatre, in front of 140 crore people. That matters. 5. What touched us deeply was how the film quietly yet powerfully showed that there's so much we can learn from kids with special needs. In a world that often feels transactional, self-serving, these kids love without condition, trust without calculation, and live without malice. The film reminded us that while society is busy trying to teach or fix them, in truth, it's us who have the most to learn about kindness, presence, and what it truly means to be human. A circle waiting to close. There's something you don't know. 28 years ago, a young boy, oh, I've met him. 28 years ago, a young boy met you at one of your shootings. You were patient with him, kind and sweetest, and the sweetest one could ever be. You took a photo, shared a moment. The boy treasures that memory still. This Saturday, that same boy, now a man, met you again, not in person, but through your art. And just like 28 years ago, you made him feel valued, seen and understood. Padna bhai.
The photo from that day sits in our living room. Sometimes I catch him looking at it, smiling at a memory of kindness from one of the biggest stars of the country. We live just very close to your home and office in Bandra, close enough that my brother has often seen your car pass by, his eyes lighting up each time with quite excitement. This Friday, the 27th, he turns 33, and while your work has already given him more joy and recognition than we could ever express, a chance to meet you even briefly would make this birthday truly unforgettable. For someone who's admired you for years, not just as an actor but as a human being, it would feel like a dream coming true. What you've really done. After watching your film, people won't just tolerate difference, they'll celebrate it. They won't see disability as limitation, they'll see it as a different kind of strength. That's not just filmmaking, that's nation building through storytelling. The ripple effect, right now in homes across India, conversations are happening because of your film. Parents are looking at their differently abled children with new eyes. Siblings are finding words for feelings they've carried in silence. Teachers are questioning their methods. Society is confronting its prejudices. You've created a movement disguised as entertainment. Thank you so very much. May Lord bless you and the entire team.
अच्छा लेटर लिखा है।
क्या बात है सर?
ये तो राइटर आदमी है भाई।
For all the goodness you've done, with profound gratitude, XYZ's brother.
Oh, we should meet him, yeah?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
We should.
ये तो बैंड्रा में रहता है भाई।
Bandra. Next to Candice.
So we'll meet. वो बैंड्रा में रहता है।
We'll meet, sir.
So one of these days we'll call them home and then we'll have a lunch or something.
Yes.
Tomorrow is his birthday.
Wow.
Oh, I'm not in.
Sir is not.
Tomorrow I'm in Delhi. But we can meet him on Sunday or something.
We can tell him we are celebrating your birthday.
We can celebrate his birthday 2 days later. That's a good idea. Let's celebrate his birthday, यार.
Done, sir.
अच्छा idea है.
Done, sir.
अबे Sunday को उसको बुलाएं lunch पे. Let's meet him for lunch.
I think these comments really touched our hearts. Whoever has written this is remarkable. Matlab, we are all speechless, but the only credit goes to a big round of applause for Aamir Khan. I think he has, without him, he never does a film without himself.
No, I'll be honest. Actually, मेरी ये thinking ये भी है कि जो बहुत सारे लोग हम लोग ने लाइफ में मिले हैं, जिन्होंने सपोर्टिव नहीं रहे हैं, जो समझे नहीं हैं, मैं कभी-कभी सोचता हूँ उनको भी हम लोग क्या ब्लेम करें, उनको क्या सीख मिली है, उन्होंने भी क्या समझा है, अगर हम उनकी जगह होते शायद हम भी वैसे ही बिहेव करते। तो व्हाट इज गुड इज कि एटलीस्ट इतने सालों बाद अभी हम सब ने मिलके, प्रसन्ना विद यू लीडिंग एंड वी आर डूइंग सच अ गुड अडेप्टेशन ऑफ दैट, एटलीस्ट ये एक फिल्म हम लोगों ने बनाई है जो अब सबको अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करती है। पहले उन लोग सेंसिटिव नहीं थे, करेक्ट? आई डोंट नो वेदर वी शुड ब्लेम देम बिकॉज उनको किसी ने समझाया नहीं था, अब उनको मौका मिला है समझने का। नाउ दे हैव सीन, नाउ दे हैव अंडरस्टूड, नाउ दे हैव फेल्ट। So I think what we have done is a very important thing. Yes, sir. Yeah, it will really help. जो हम लोग ने फिल्म बनाई है वो आगे generations को help करेगी.
We did a screening in Bangalore for all the Epsilon guys, and all of them gave me a very, very good feedback because everyone has done a very good job as well. So they just told me, Rishabh, can you please tell all your cast and crew that have done a good job in the movie. When they saw the movie, they were like realizing what's going on. ये हो क्या रहा है? मतलब the way these guys were doing it, the whole credit goes to these guys and us.
You all of
yeah, because it wasn't for us, we never done this movie. And a big shout out to GD because she deserves a big round of applause. Who? Genelia.
GD. मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की है, घूम फिर के ऋषभ जिनीलिया पे आता है।
मैंने क्या किया?
There is this autistic girl who sent a voice note. आप ऐसे सुनो?
Yeah, I'll hear it.
यार मेरा एक काम करेगा, मेरा रिव्यू आमिर खान सर तक पहुंचाओगे प्लीज? ऐसा लगा जैसे मैंने अपने आप को उस फिल्म में देखा, मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ क्योंकि अरे उसमें सबसे अच्छी एक्टिंग भाई वो बंदा नहीं था जो आयुष उसकी एक्टिंग तो धांसू यार, सच्ची आयुष की एक्टिंग, गोलू की
ऐश शाबाश, गोलू की भी अच्छी लगी
एक्टिंग यार, कमाल है। वो नमन की एक्टिंग तो बहुत मस्त थी क्योंकि उसमें मैंने अपने आप को देखा, ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ तो, क्योंकि मेरे को ऑटिज्म है ना, तो आई सॉ माई सेल्फ इन हिम। ऐसा पता नहीं, वैसा लग रहा था जैसे वो फिल्म नहीं थी, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो मेरी लाइफ का कोई खास सीन हो, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे मैं अपने आप को उस सीन में देख रही हूँ। मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा था यार, मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं रोई हूँ यार मैं वो, क्योंकि ऐसा कभी कोई कोच नहीं मिला मुझे अपनी ज़िंदगी में। मुझे आपकी मूवी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई। मैं ये दूसरी बार देखने वाली हूँ क्योंकि तारे ज़मीं पर मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 15 से 20 बार तो देख ली होगी, आई एम श्योर। उसके बाद ये मूवी सबसे बेस्ट लगी क्योंकि ये दो मूवीज़ आपकी मैं सबसे ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ क्योंकि ये दोनों मूवीज़ मुझे कहीं ना कहीं से मुझे खुद से कनेक्ट कराती है। तारे ज़मीं पर और सितारे ज़मीं पर, ये दोनों मूवी मुझे कहाँ से पता नहीं किस एंगल से ये मेरे दिल को छू लेती है यार। ये मुझे अपने आप से प्यार करना सिखाती है ये मूवी। ये मूवी मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल रही है क्योंकि ये मूवी सिर्फ एक मूवी नहीं है, ये शायद मेरे लाइफ का एक सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है क्योंकि इसमें ऑटिज़म को सही से एक्सप्लेन किया है। थैंक यू। और मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोग इसको सिर्फ एक बार नहीं, बार बार इस मूवी को देखें क्योंकि इस मूवी से मेरा मन नहीं भरता। एक बार देखने से मेरा थोड़ी मन भरेगा। मैं तो ये मूवी शायद 100 बार देख लूँ, इतनी बार, इससे भी, और ये तो कुछ भी नहीं, ये कम पड़ेगा फिर मुझे, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा अकेले खेल के बड़ी हुई हूँ। तो आई वांट पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड मी मोर बेटर। शायद इस मूवी से मुझे लोग समझ पाएंगे बिकॉज हमेशा से अकेले खेल के बड़ी हुई हूँ। I had no one to play with. ना मुझे कभी किसी ने बर्थडे पार्टी में बुलाया, ना मुझे कभी किसी ने बुलाया था। फ्रेंड्स, मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाते हैं ना।
Nobody lends their books also.
Oh God.
Without having any friends.
Books भी नहीं देते।
So I want people to understand me more better, you know. So ये मूवी नहीं थी, ये मेरे लिए।
What's her name?
पता नहीं, शायद सेम सिचुएशन था जैसा वो
बहुत like she became besties with Arush.
A lot of people call to say thank you for talking about invisible disabilities.
Right.
Because they are the most misunderstood.
Correct.
Of the entire spectrum.
I think we couldn't have had all this without Pawan.
Oh yeah, man. Pawan.
He is दूसरी माँ।
हाँ, तो ये
करतार पाजी,
ये सबकी एक माँ है
या
और पवन सबकी दूसरी माँ है। So actually all credit to the original film.
Yes.
जो ओरिजिनल फिल्म चैंपियंस बनी है स्पेनिश में, the original filmmakers of the Spanish film, because Javier Fesser, हम लोग ने उससे बात भी की है Zoom पे, प्रसन्ना and I had a wonderful conversation with him. वो फिल्म देख के हमको भी इंस्पिरेशन मिला कि हमको इंडिया के लिए बनानी चाहिए. So I'm so glad we made the film. देखो अभी धंधा वंदा बिजनेस कितना करती है I don't know, but ये फिल्म से एक चीज़ ज़रूर हुई है जो कि लोग सेंसिटाइज हुए हैं और जो लोग जैसे जिनके फैमिली में स्पेशल नीड्स के लोग नहीं हैं, ज़रूरत उनको सेंसिटाइज होने की है क्योंकि बाकी लोग तो सेंसिटाइज हैं ऑलरेडी. जिन लोग के घरों में स्पेशल नीड्स के लोग नहीं हैं, दे नीड टू बी सेंसिटाइज्ड एंड विद दिस फिल्म they are all getting sensitized.
I feel we are right now living in a world that we have got so much of word policing, and if you don't know the right words, you're a bad person. But our movie is truly inclusive in the sense that we include Gulshan also in it.
Yeah.
The fact that if I'm not allowed to make mistakes, if I'm not allowed to ask, I think the Kartar Paji's character, who teaches him normal by tapping
in a nice, calm way,
without judging, sir.
So guys, I hope आप लोगों को जिन्होंने फिल्म देखी है, thank you so much for all the love that you've given us, and we are hoping that all of you all watch the film and enjoy the film that we've made. तो फिल्म कितनी चलेगी वो तो पता नहीं, लेकिन relax. लेकिन I'm so glad we made this film. कुछ तो अच्छा किया लाइफ में.